Hola mi gente, bienvenido a mi canal de YouTube. Mi nombre es Daneska y el video de hoy va a ser dedicado a todos los padres para el Día de los Padres. Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a dedication video for Father's Day. So yeah, ahora mismo voy a hacer una oración y después nos vamos a comer. Papá Dios, gracias por el día de hoy. Señor, bendiga a todos aquellos que están mirando el video de hoy. También bendiga a esta comida que voy a comer. Deja que seas nutritivo a mi cuerpo. En el nombre de Jesús te pido. Amén. And I just prayed for the food, you guys. So today we have some chicken, ribs, baked beans, and some mac and cheese. And then I have me a drink right here. Sí, mi gente, vamos a estar comiendo carne. Tengo macaroni, tengo pollo y baked beans. Yo no sé cómo decirlo. Yeah, you guys. Today's dinner is delicious already. This macaroni is on point, you guys. And this is the chicken. So, un segundo. You guys, I would like to wish a happy Father's Day to all of the men who are currently viewing today's video. If you're a father, happy Father's Day to you. I hope that you're enjoying your day. I hope that you are being celebrated on this day. Yeah, I just want to wish you all a happy Father's Day. A special happy Father's Day to my dad if you're viewing this. I don't think he's subscribed to my channel, but if you come across my video, I want to wish you a happy Father's Day. I want to say thank you for being such a great dad to me. Yeah, you guys. Let's see what I want to talk about. Okay, let's talk about, men and the effect that they have in this world when it comes to being a father. You guys, I just want you to know that you guys are an example to your children. The way, let me put a little hot sauce, y'all. The way that you treat their moms or your mom or any of that, your children are watching you. So make sure to be a good example to them. If you guys have daughters, which I don't have a daughter, but I am a female, so I know what it's like. A lot of times growing up, if you have daughters, as they grow up and they watch the way that you treat their mom or the female around you, they use that as an example as to how a man is supposed to treat them. So just make sure that you are doing the right thing, you guys. You do not want your daughters growing up thinking it's okay to be treated like crap. So yeah, just be a good example. And also, if you have sons, they're watching what you're doing and they know, well, they don't know, but the way that they see you interact with their mom and all that is the way that they're gonna grow to treat their wife or girlfriend or whatever. So just try to be a positive example to them. You are, I know, chicken is good. I would like, excuse me, to give a special shout out to my husband on Father's Day. He is such a wonderful man. honestly, just watching the way that he interacts with his mom as I was younger growing up, just watching the way that he treats his mom and the way, you know, he interacts with her and the way he would go out his way for her, I knew that he would be an amazing husband. A lot of times, it's so important, you guys, or to my lady viewers, it's so important because you gotta watch the way the men that you are dealing with, the way they treat their mom if their mom is around. Because a lot of times the way that they treat their mom is the way that they'll treat you. Special shout out to my husband, because he treats his mom wonderful. He treats me wonderful, and he's a good example to our boys of how they're supposed to treat a woman. So, happy Father's Day to you, baby. Yeah, you guys. So, go ahead and leave me some comments on how you plan on spending your Father's Day. I'm interested to know. Are you guys eating in? Are you eating out? Excuse me. I'm about to pour a little drink here. Excuse me, I'm eating good today. Let me move this over a little so you guys can see the turtles good. Hey, you guys, what are your plans? Oh yeah, you guys, I heard that the president signed the new Juneteenth, I guess. So we're gonna have an additional holiday added to the federal calendar, which is cool. Shouts out to Joe Biden. We appreciate you. I think this is the first holiday that has been added in like a long time, in some decades. This is the ribs. It's so good. Yes, y'all. Yeah. But, you know, just like any other celebration, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, it's a regular day. I would hope that each and every one of you are treating your parents special, regardless of what day it is, on a regular basis. Me personally, it's good to do stuff on holidays too, but I like doing stuff just because as well, you know? Just because I love you, just because you're special, you know. You guys, I'm almost finished. I am actually getting pretty full. And I'm gonna try to find the link to my Instagram, and I'll put it in the description box, as well as yeah, in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and follow me on there. I'm not like too active on social media, but I do post stuff from time to time. I try to post, you know, a couple times for the month. This ribs is on point. I gotta clear my throat. Ribs is getting stuck. Probably should have chewed a little longer. Excuse me. That one came from deep within. Yeah, you guys, I am full. So, this chicken is good too. We ordered this from a restaurant. I can't remember the name, but I will do another video on food from the restaurant that we bought this chicken from. It's pretty good. It's so crunchy too. Alright, you guys, well, thank you so much for viewing today's video, you guys. Once again, happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Go ahead and like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.